Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have an administrator account and the PC is online. Once ready, press Win+X and open Device Manager. This is where Windows lists hardware and drivers. If you prefer, open Settings System About to check system type first, because 32-bit versus 64-bit matters for driver choice. Make sure Device Manager is visible and the list is expanded so you can locate network adapters quickly. That first navigation, now look under Network Adapters and find the Wi-Fi or wireless entry. You might see vendor names like Intel, Realtek, or Qualcomm. Right-click the adapter and choose Properties, then open the Driver tab to view version and date. This tells you if an update is needed. For exact matching, switch to Details and pick Hardware IDs. Copy the VEN and DEV strings so you can match the correct driver package. Once done, you're ready to update or download the precise driver. You can choose Update Driver and let Windows search automatically, or pick Browse My Computer and install a downloaded package from the vendor using the hardware ID. Use the laptop or NIC maker's support page for the exact driver, matching OS build and architecture. Windows Update sometimes supplies certified drivers too. If the new driver breaks Wi-Fi, roll back in the Driver tab, uninstall then reboot to force reinstall, or run the built-in network troubleshooter. That single tip often resolves confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.